Hi, good morning. This is a special day for the swamp duck. It's a very blustery day out there, but a couple of burly men, we hope, are coming to collect the engine. These are two guys from the River Canal Rescue organisation. When I first took the boat on, I took out their gold membership, which entitles you to, it's a bit like the RAC, they'll come out to you, and if there's a problem with the boat that they can't fix, then they will ensure that you get back to the marina, or at least you, even if the boat doesn't, they'll take the crew back to the marina. So they come in this morning to take the engine, to go and take it away for an annual inspection, which is part of the deal. And whilst they're there, I've asked them if they would service it, and it's quite a good rate with the canal rescue people, so they're coming to do that hopefully in the next 10 minutes or so. Okay, so the guy from the River Canal Rescue has turned up, and he's dismantled some of the leads and taken off the engine. He's taken the petrol tank away, which also gets a service, and we're just waiting for another burly chap to turn up to come and lift the engine off.
He knows I'm talking about that. Ready? I'll tell you what, that was easier than that 15 we did. Yeah. How good was it? Big bucket of about 5 minutes. Right, sir. Take that off.
Okay, so the two burly fellas came, and they've taken the swamp duck's engine away and the fuel tank, and we now have a space. So here's the back of the boat as it is now. Minus its engine. Whilst the engine is being serviced, it gives me an opportunity to spend some time in cleaning up and restoring the back of the boat. First of all, I've taken off the engine cover, and it's now proudly sitting in our kitchen. The wooden slats have been removed and they're drying out, so it's all going to be ready for a repaint and a bit of a remake in places, so it'll be nice and smart to put back on when the engine comes back. You may have noticed that when the engine was removed, the back board that had been mounted on fell off. The board virtually crumbled and disintegrated, and so I've had to replace it, but I've managed to find a piece of aluminium plate which I've now installed on the back of the boat, and it makes it look a whole lot smarter, ready for the engine to come back. So as you can see, our engine has come back and has been installed, and is just ticking over and warming up at the moment. And later on we're going to be taking Swamp Duck out for a couple of days to give the engine a good run and make sure everything's okay.